Introduction to breakout rooms in Zoom.
Breakout rooms in Zoom allow you to split a meeting into smaller groups for focused discussions. This feature is widely used for online classes, workshops, and team meetings. Learning to use breakout rooms effectively can help boost engagement, encourage participation, and make group collaboration more productive. Let's go through the steps to set up and manage breakout rooms for your next Zoom session.
Setting up breakout rooms before your meeting.
To use breakout rooms, first ensure the feature is enabled in your Zoom settings. Log in to your Zoom account, go to Settings, and turn on the breakout room option. This lets you create rooms during a meeting. If you want to pre-assign participants to specific rooms, you'll find that option when scheduling a meeting, which can save time during your session.
Creating and assigning breakout rooms during a meeting.
Once your meeting has started, click the Breakout Rooms button in the Zoom toolbar. Choose the number of rooms you need and decide whether to assign participants automatically or manually. You can shuffle users between rooms or assign specific people to work together on particular topics. Make sure to give clear instructions before opening the rooms.
Managing breakout rooms while they're active.
As the host, you can visit individual breakout rooms to check in, answer questions, or provide guidance. Use the broadcast message feature to send announcements to all rooms at once. You can also move participants between rooms or close the rooms early if needed. Monitoring progress helps keep everyone on track and encourages productive discussion.
Closing breakout rooms and returning to the main session.
When group discussions are done, click Close All Rooms to bring everyone back to the main meeting. Allow a minute for participants to wrap up. Once everyone has returned, encourage groups to share their insights or findings with the larger group for effective knowledge sharing and next steps.
Best practices for effective breakout sessions.
For the best results, set clear objectives for each group, assign a leader or note-taker, and keep time limits in mind. Make sure everyone knows how to ask for help if needed. After reconvening, use follow-up questions to facilitate discussion. Done well, breakout rooms can transform your Zoom meetings into highly interactive and productive sessions.